Hi, folks. Good morning. Now, guys, I'm going to be talking about Stanley, Idaho. In the past 2 days, they've had over 200 earthquakes. I'm going to repeat that one more time so you guys can hear what I'm trying to say to you. In the past 2 days, Stanley, Idaho experienced over 200 seismic activity. Now, the interesting thing about Stanley, Idaho, in the last video I made, I said it was east. Actually, it's west of Yellowstone. Part of Yellowstone supervolcano is actually underneath Idaho. I am going to say that one more time. Part of the Yellowstone volcano is actually underneath Idaho. So you basically see what's going on. Magma intrusion. The magma is moving, folks. Idaho right now. You know what? I'm not trying to say certain things, but I'm just going to go there. Idaho is cracking and Idaho is sinking. Stanley, Idaho, where the earthquakes are happening, it's cracking and it's sinking because the earth is giving way, because it's splitting, because magma is moving up. It's moving up, yes. And the magma that's moving up is actually coming from the Yellowstone volcano. Interesting times we live in, folks. If you don't believe me, do your research, do your due diligence, and you'll see that actually what I'm saying is true. And another thing, between Greece and Turkey, they got hit. It was a 6.6 and it actually got downgraded to a 5.8. Yes, I did say big quakes were coming for Greece and Turkey, and it did. 6.6 hit. It was downgraded to a 5.8. I don't know why they're doing this, but the initial reading, first reading, 6.6, then downgrade. Again, folks, Japan is seeing crazy activity. Volcanic eruption is going to happen around Japan. It is off the coastline, out in the water. Mount Etna in Italy erupting again, another eruption. Not surprised. Mount Spurs in Alaska is about to erupt because that volcano is actually seeing smoke right now. Okay? But the topic of the day, guys, Stanley, Idaho. Stanley, Idaho. What I'm going to do, folks, I'm going to take a screenshot and put it at the end of this video. I'm going to put a screenshot of Stanley, Idaho. I'm also going to put a screenshot of the 6.6 magnitude earthquake that hit between Greece and Turkey. So you guys can actually see this and try to comprehend what's actually happening. Because I think a picture is a thousand words. It would speak more volume than actually what I'm trying to explain to you right now. But Stanley, Idaho basically experienced over 200 quakes, anywhere between 2.1 to 4.0 magnitude. It's going off every 10 minutes over there. I feel sorry for those folks living over there in Stanley, Idaho, in that area. It's west of the Yellowstone, and after I did some more due diligence early this morning, part of the Yellowstone supervolcano actually stretched all the way over to Stanley, Idaho. So that can only mean one thing. Why that is happening? It's because of Yellowstone volcano, the supervolcano. It's called magma intrusion. The magma is moving, folks. And oh boy, I'm not saying an eruption is going to happen there. I know for a fact the ground is going to crack and a lot of damage is going to happen eventually in the coming future. So it's just going to escalate and get worse there, folks. I hope you guys are watching my video over there in Idaho, and I want you guys to get yourself ready because you guys are going to see things. Modern humans in that area are going to see things that they have never witnessed before in their lifetime. I hate to say it like that. I just want you folks to be aware. I'm not here to spread fear once again. I will say this with so much confidence. I just want you guys to be aware, guys. Once you get this information, you know how to prepare yourself. I want you guys to be aware so you can prepare yourself so you guys can actually survive the ride, the storm that's coming. A storm is coming, folks. A storm we have never seen before, modern humans. It happened before because it's a cyclical cycle. Our solar system is experiencing a secondary gravitational pull from a binary star. I make video of this constantly. I put it up. early in the morning, that star you see early in the morning, before sunrise, that's what I'm talking about. It got seven sun, four moons revolving around it, and it's getting closer to our solar system. The closer it gets, guys, this situation is just going to escalate and just go poof, go crazy. There's nothing we can do to stop it. We have to learn to ride the waves. We can't stop the storm. And Stanley, Idaho is it's a proof. Use Stanley, Idaho as evidence so you can have a grasp of what's to come and what's going to happen. Because once you see the picture at the end of this video, it's going to blow your mind. This is the past 2 days, guys. This is not good. It's not. Man. And again, Greece, you're going to get more seismic activity, big ones. Turkey, Japan, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, south of Fiji and Tonga. Big quakes, guys. Huge quakes are coming. And again, same thing go for the New Madrid fault line. More seismic activities are coming. And I just want you folks to get yourself ready. All right? Now, the more quakes along the San Andreas fault line. And keep in mind, there is a volcano getting ready to erupt off the coast of Oregon, and Mount St. Helens is now showing volcanic activity. I'm not saying it's erupting, but there is certain signs the volcano is showing, basically letting geologists that work with the USGS, letting them know it's just a matter of time before that volcano also erupt. It's showing correction, it's showing signs of coming volcanic eruption. So let me choose my word wisely, because some people love to use my words against me. Okay? Signs of coming volcanic eruption over there in Washington State. So same thing for Stanley, Idaho. The reason why Stanley, Idaho is going off is because of the Yellowstone volcano, super volcano, folks. That is the only reason. And what's going to happen with these seismic activities, just going to trigger more quakes along the San Andreas fault line, also along the Cascade subduction zone, also around Nevada and also Utah. I'm trying to get you guys ready for what's about to happen. I hope I'm doing a good job of this, folks, and I do get a lot of message, but my goal is to feed you guys as much information as possible. So whenever things pop off, at least you have the information, and at least I'm giving you some time to prepare yourself. Best way possible. I can't tell you how. You gotta put effort, start doing your due diligence, how to prepare in case of an earthquake, the things I need to have, where I need to go, and so forth. More blackouts are actually coming globally also. Okay, so get ready for that. Once again, Stanley, Idaho is not looking pretty. I will keep monitoring that area today as the day goes by. And if it get worse, I try to get another video out so you guys can understand what's really happening. Thank you again for always watching my video, folks. Love y'all. Thank you for sharing my video, and I really appreciate it. It has nothing to do with fear, folks. Nothing. I just want you guys to be aware. Things are no longer the same. It's just going to get worse. The closer this binary system get to us, it's just going to intensify. What's happening now around the world, multiplied by 100. That's our future. And you got to learn to accept that. Once you can accept it, you can educate yourself and ride the waves. This is the only thing we can do. We can't stop it. We just have to ride the waves. Love y'all. Y'all have a great day.